In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place and open elevation views from a floor plan in Revit. We'll start right where the elevation belongs. In the floor plan, open the specific plan view for the level where you want to place your elevation marker. Working directly in the correct plan ensures your elevations are aligned with the right level and context, so you're documenting exactly what you intend to capture. Next, head up to the ribbon and go to the View tab. This is your home base for creating new views. In the Create panel, click Elevation. This tells the software you're ready to drop an elevation marker and define the directions you want to look from. Back in the plan, click once to place the elevation marker. You'll see it appear as a circle with arrows. Think of the circle as the anchor and the arrows as view directions. Place the marker near the area or wall you want to capture, leaving enough space so the arrows aren't crowding other annotations. If you're unsure of the exact spot, don't worry, you can reposition the marker later without losing the view. Now choose which arrows to activate. Each arrow represents an elevation direction, north, south, east, or west relative to the marker. Activate only the arrows you actually need to keep your project browser clean and your documentation focused. This simple choice helps control how many views are created and keeps your file organized. As soon as you place the marker and set the arrows, the new elevation view or views are created automatically. You'll find them in the project browser under Elevations. The names typically reflect the level and direction, which makes them easy to spot as your project grows. To open an elevation, you have two quick options. In the plan, double-click the arrow on the marker to jump straight into that elevation, or in the project browser, double-click the view name under Elevations. Either way, you'll be looking at the orthographic view created from the direction you chose in the plan. If the default name isn't descriptive enough, rename the elevation to match your documentation standards. In the project browser, right-click the elevation view and choose Rename, then give it a clear, consistent name that reflects its content or location. Good naming makes coordination smoother and prevents confusion when sharing views with your team. And that's it. You've placed an elevation marker, chosen directions, located the new view, opened it and renamed it for clarity, all from the floor plan.